What's going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to talk about a certain event that is going to change the market going forward. So I've been fearing this would happen, and it has finally happened. So there is a certain influencer that has talked about investing in LEGO in a lot of his videos, and you might be familiar with this influencer, and you might not think this is anything, but sadly this will result in a wave of new investors. And as you're familiar with the investing market, it's it's tough to invest in Lego simply because there's so many people. The more people that do it, you're going to see less profits. And sadly, Lego investing has brought great profits in the past, and it's slowly dwindling to smaller profits more and more each year. So, this influencer is Rudy from Alpha Investments. And if you're familiar with investing in Lego investing in Pokemon or sports cards, you've probably seen a few of his videos, and you've probably heard him talk about it in some of his videos. And he finally made a video. And this is huge because Rudy he is known, and he has a lot of influence, and he has hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and this is just going to spawn more and more Lego investors. And that's bad, simply for the fact that the sports card market, all those investors hopped into Pokemon and kind of destroyed the Pokemon market. And now these people are just going to hop into the Lego investing market. And I don't say that like, I mean, you're probably saying, I make this video to encourage everyone to invest, or this channel to invest in investing, but this is going to get a lot more complicated because a lot of the sports card investors they're ruthless, and you might see the market change. It's not going to change immediately, but over time it's going to spread, and more people are going to find out about this, and they're going to realize there's huge profits to be made. So he just dropped a video a few days ago and discussing his Lego investments, and this video is what I've been dreading. And like I said, I encourage everyone to invest in Lego, but just what the sports card investors did to the Pokemon market, it's a bad sign for what might come. It's not going to be exactly like that, but you're going to see a new massive amount of wave of investors, and this is going to affect you, and you need to be aware of what's going on. The more investors that enter the market, this affects how you sell your Lego sets, because if you've got just more inventory in retirement, it means less profits going forward. So as I've said in my previous videos, the Lego market has changed. It's getting harder and harder to make money. You have to expect smaller returns. So if you're still wanting to get into the Lego investing market, you need to understand that you're not going to see, it's going to be hard to see $100 profits. I think, as I've said before in my videos, you have to expect a realistic return of maybe 20 to 30. And this is why I try to deal in hundreds when I purchase sets, simply for the fact that if you purchase 100, sell 20, that's $2,000. Disregarding taxes and all that good stuff. But if it's you kind of have to do that stuff to just continue to earn more money. And I encourage everyone to not just invest in Lego, expand out. I love Amazon KDP, creating books. That is 100% passive income, and that helps fund my Lego investments. So after getting sick, I just realized I need to have multiple income streams. You have to have dividends, Lego, maybe some Pokemon, KDP, and a variety of others. There's tons of options out there to earn money, and I tend to funnel everything into Lego right now because I'm only 2 years into Lego investing, and I want to build that inventory up. And Sadly, this video is going to change the market. It probably will take 6 to 12 months to see these new investors enter the market, but it's going to spread because they'll talk to their friends, and their friends will talk to their friends, and this video will just continue to blow up. And it's just, you need to be aware of these kind of events, not just economic events. You need to be aware of events like this because, for example, if the economy tanks and we enter a recession, I believe we're in a recession, and if things get worse, less people are going to spend their money on Lego. If you've seen a variety of my shorts, I always post a video every now and then about the amount of inventory that are in stores. It's insane. People are not buying Lego like they did a few years ago, and new investors need to understand that. And when we've got a massive amount of new investors come in, that will affect how you make money. So you need to think outside the box. You need to look at global economic events and a variety of things, and this is just what to come. So I want you to be aware, and I encourage you to watch this video. I think he's an insane investor. I truly think he is kind of a genius investor because he makes big, big money, and I encourage it, but you need to be aware of what's going on in the market. And so, if you stayed this long, I appreciate you watching, and I'd love to hear your opinion on this, if you think this is a good thing or a bad thing. I love seeing new investors, but this might spark a lot of new wave, which they tend to be kind of ruthless. And when I say ruthless, the sports card people I see always friending employees. They get text messages when new arrivals hit the shelf, so they're the first ones out to get the goods, and that means you don't get any. So who knows what'll happen, but appreciate you watching, and as always, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.